Hi, and welcome back to All About Birds at Club Baby EDU. Today, we're going to learn all about birds. Birds are fascinating creatures with beautiful feathers, interesting behaviors, and diverse habitats. From the clever parrots to the majestic eagles, let's explore the wonderful world of birds. Types and classification. Birds come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are big, like the ostrich, while others are tiny, like the hummingbird. Each type of bird has its own unique personality and special traits. For example, parrots are known for their bright feathers and ability to mimic sounds, while penguins are famous for their waddling walk and swimming skills. Sounds they make. Birds communicate in many ways. They chirp, tweet, squawk, and sing. Some birds, like parrots, can even mimic human speech. Each bird species has its own unique calls and songs, which they use to communicate with each other and with us. Where they live. Birds live all over the world, from the rainforests of South America to the woodlands of Australia, and even in the icy regions of Antarctica. They can be found in forests, deserts, mountains, and cities. Birds adapt to their environments in amazing ways, finding food and shelter wherever they go. Common breeds or species. There are many different kinds of birds. Here are some popular ones you might have heard of. Parrots, known for their vibrant colors and ability to talk. Eagles, large birds of prey with impressive wingspans. Penguins, flightless birds that are excellent swimmers. Owls, nocturnal birds known for their hooting calls and wise appearance. Diet and feeding. Do you know what birds like to eat? Birds' diets can vary greatly. Some birds love seeds and nuts, while others prefer fruits, insects, or even fish. Birds use their beaks to crack open nuts, pick at seeds, and catch their prey. Providing a balanced diet is essential for birds, whether they are wild or kept as pets. Behavior and activities. Birds are very playful and curious. They love to explore, play with toys, and interact with their surroundings. Some birds enjoy playing games or learning tricks. They are social creatures that need lots of attention and mental stimulation to stay happy. Daily activities and routines. Birds have busy days filled with eating, playing, and resting. They enjoy flying, climbing, and bathing to keep their feathers clean. At the end of a busy day, they find a cozy spot to rest and sleep. Unique features and abilities. Birds have some amazing abilities. Their strong beaks are perfect for cracking nuts, and their feet are great for climbing and holding things. They have excellent eyesight and can see a wide range of colors. Some birds, like parrots, have the special ability to mimic sounds, which makes them fascinating pets. Communication with other animals. Birds communicate with each other and other animals using their calls, songs, and body language. They can be very social and enjoy the company of other birds and animals. Birds that bond with humans often use their mimicry skills to join in conversations and express themselves. Night versus day animals. Most birds are diurnal, which means they are awake and active during the day. They spend their days exploring, playing, and eating. At night, they find a safe place to sleep and rest. However, some birds, like owls, are nocturnal and are active during the night. Sleep habits. Birds need a good amount of sleep to stay healthy. They usually sleep for about 10-12 hours each night. In the wild, they roost in trees or other safe places where they feel protected from predators. Friendliness to humans. Birds can be very affectionate and friendly. They love spending time with people, getting attention, and being petted. Birds can form strong bonds with their human families and enjoy being part of the household. Roles in human society. Birds are popular pets because of their colorful feathers, playful nature, and ability to talk. They bring joy and entertainment to many homes. Some birds are also trained as therapy animals, helping to comfort and cheer up people in hospitals and care homes. And that's all about birds, little friends. Remember, always be gentle and kind to animals, and they will be kind to you. Birds are amazing creatures and make wonderful friends for us all. See you next time on All About Animals at Club Baby EDU. Join us again soon at clubbabyedu.com, where the fun never ends.